Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be in the greenhouse outside, and we're going to do some upplanting of some tomatoes and some planting of 3 different types of watermelon. Let's get started. So, if you've been following my channel for any length of time, you know that perhaps the one gardening chore that I do not like the most, it's uppotting. However, it is necessary, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. I have 16, yes, 16 little pots here. They're a little over 19 ounces pots that I'm going to plant tomatoes in. And we have, I want to say 4-5 different types of tomatoes that we're going to be uppotting. The first thing we're going to do is open up a bag of soil and put enough soil in all of these so that we can do the transplant. Okay, we've potted up 16 containers here, and we're going to start the transplanting. The first ones that I have 2 brandywines here, and we're going to remove them and put them in these. Go down deeply. And remember, with tomatoes, all the little fine white hairs can turn into roots. So I'm going to plant them pretty deeply inside the containers. And we have these 2 planted. I'm going to take my label and stick it in. And we'll move on to the next ones. These are sweet cherries. So let me find my label for them. And you can see this one is starting to get leggy, or has gotten leggy. So I'm going to bury it relatively deep. We'll put the label in for that one. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do all the rest of these, and then come back and plant watermelons. Okay, we're back. We actually, as you can see, did a little bit more planting than we originally were going to do. In this flat, we have the tomatoes. In this flat, we also have tomatoes, but we also have 6 red mustards. And What I'm going to do now is go ahead and spray them or water them. In the water, I have a couple drops of the AgroThrive liquid fertilizer 322, and I'm going to use my pump sprayer to do it. To me, this is easier to do rather than using my watering can. Doesn't seem to damage the plants. Making sure this is tightened up. There we go. Coming out much better. So these are going to be very thoroughly watered in, and then we'll come back daily and check on them to see what they need. And hopefully soon we'll be ready to put them into. We have the mustards, tomatoes, all watered in and fed. And now we're going to do the watermelon. I have 3 6L trays on planters like this. And inside, I filled it with my own potting soil, or seed starting rather soil. And it's just a mixture of cocoa coir and perlite. The seeds I got from Haas Tools. I'll leave a link for them on the screen. These are the Tender Sweet Orange Watermelon, the Sangria Hybrid Watermelon, and the Jamboree Watermelon. And we're going to plant 6 of each and keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully we will get these to germinate. They all have pretty decent germination rates, so hopefully I'll be lucky. We're going to put 1 in each cell. This is the Jamboree. So we'll put that there. Press it down so that it touches the soil. And we'll come back later on and give each cell a light dusting of the seed starting mix, and then before I water them. Next one we're going to do is the sangria. And last but not least, the tender sweet orange. My seed starting mix. Hmm? And there we go. Okay, we're going to put these over here with the mustards and tomatoes. And then we're going to water them in. So here we are, finished, and have quite a lot of uppotting that we got accomplished. And like I said, I really do not like doing it, but it's necessary. So I might as well get used to doing it and try to get pretty good at it. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did a lot of uppotting, and we also did some planting of some watermelons. It's been quite a while since I've grown watermelons, so hopefully I'm looking forward to a good harvest, and more importantly, hopefully my family will enjoy my labor. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food and vegetables for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my video, your family and friends will also. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.